Open up your MTT. We're going to do a test review. All right, we're going to go ahead and solve for V. So we're going to use the same questions that we normally use. Is the variable on the left? Well, the V needs to be on the left, so we're going to do symmetrical and rewrite it. VW plus Z is equal to U. Is the variable on the left? Yes, it is. Is it by itself? No. So we're going to go ahead and zero pair out the Z. So now we're going to have VW is equal to U minus Z. Is the variable on the left? Yes. Is it by itself? No. We've already zero paired out, so now we're going to divide by W. And so it's going to be V is equal to U minus Z over W. All right, now we're going to solve for G. Is the variable on the left? It is. Is it by itself? It's not. So we're going to go ahead and add a line, change the sign. So we're going to have FG plus negative 9H is equal to 10J. We're going to go ahead and zero pair out our 9H. FG is equal to DJ plus 9H. Divide by F. G is equal to 10J plus 9H all over F. Solving for V. Is the variable on the left? It is. Is it by itself? It's not. We're going to zero pair out the W. 59V is equal to Z minus W. To make the fraction go bye-bye, you're going to flip it over and you're going to multiply. Now in that case, we're going to also have to multiply this side by 9/5. So this cancels out, and we're going to have V is equal to 9/5 times Z minus W. And to simplify that, we're going to go ahead and rainbow. So V is equal to 9/5 Z minus 9/5 W. The sum of 6 and 4 times a number D is the same as D minus 9. So sum is plus 6, 4 times a number D is the same as D minus 9. So we see our pieces. So we're going to have 4D plus 6 is equal to D minus 9. Let's solve for D. So we're going to go ahead and ask, is the variable on the left? Well, one of the variable terms is, so we're going to go ahead and zero pair out the other one. So it's going to be 3D plus 6 is equal to negative 9. Zero pair out the 6, so 3D is equal to negative 15. Divide by 3, D is equal to negative 5. Okay, is the variable on the left? It is. Is it by itself? It's not. So we're going to add a line, change the sign, and we're going to go ahead and zero pair out the 3. So negative T over 6 is equal to 5. What math operation is this? It's division. We're going to solve it by using multiplication. We're going to multiply both sides by 6. So negative T is equal to 30. What math operation is this? Well, remember this is a negative 1, so we're going to divide by negative 1, T is equal to negative 30. Are these proportions? The quickest way to determine if something is a proportion is you're going to butterfly. So 16 times 3 is 48, and 2 times 24 is 48. So yes, this one is a proportion. 7 times 5 is 35. 8 times 3 is 24. So no, this one is not a proportion. Both products have to match for it to be a proportion. All right, now we're going to do absolute value. Remember, with absolute value, we're going to break it apart. So it's going to be x minus 4 is equal to 6. X minus 4 is equal to negative 6. Add a line, change the sign. Zero pair out your 4. X is equal to 10. Add a line, change the sign. Zero pair out your 4. x is equal to negative 2. I'm going to go ahead and graph 0, negative 2, 10, closed in circles, and of course if we are writing our solution set, the negative 2 and then the 10 is going to be written. So we're going to break this one apart again, so it's going to be 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. 2x plus 5 is equal to negative 9. 0 pair out the 5. 2x is equal to 4. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X is equal to 2. 0 pair out the 5. 2x is equal to negative 14. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X is equal to negative 7. So our solution sets are going to be written negative 7, 2. And if we graph it, 0, we're going to have a 2 and negative 7. Okay, to translate this, this is going to be 4 times the sum of x and y is the same as 3 times y minus x. Now we're going to go ahead and solve for x. Is the variable on the left? Well, we want the largest variable term on the left, so we're going to do symmetrical. 9x plus 8 is equal to 5x minus 4. Now we're going to 0 pair out our x's. So we're going to take that 5x over here, so it's going to be 4x plus 8 is equal to negative 4. 0 pair out the 8. 4x is equal to negative 12. Divide by 4, divide by 4. X is equal to negative 3. We're going to go ahead and do our rainbow first. Add a line, change the sign. So we're going to go ahead and rainbow. So it's going to be 6x plus negative 6 is equal to negative 8x. Add a line, change the sign, which then is going to make it plus 22. All right, so we're going to go ahead and 0 pair out the 8x. 0 pair out the 8x. So we're going to have 14x plus negative 6 is equal to 22. 0 pair out the 6. 14x is equal to 28. Divide by 14. X is equal to 2. And now we're done with our test review.